Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and I'm dropping into some Dollar Trees today because I know there are more things coming for back to school and I need to show you. If you haven't already watched my part 1 of back to school shopping at Dollar Tree, that is a must watch. I showed you all of the new stuff that hit the shelves first. Now I'm going back through and finding all of the things that have been added since my last visit in this video. So come with me to Dollar Tree and let's do a shop with me. Let's see what new items have been added to Dollar Tree. Now, I did show you some planners in my last video, but I found some new design covers. These are the large ones. I wanted to show you the covers that they had available, and I showed you the other colors in my last video. We also have these little planners, which are great for a backpack or in your purse. They come in a couple of different colors, and they are weekly planners, so inside just has like the week by week by week. But you can get the larger size too in the similar colors, and they are full like 8.5 by 11, and they have the full calendar view in them. So depending on how you like to plan, might depend on which planner you get. These little bags were around last year, but this time they have different sayings on them. I think they're just okay. I do think that the ones right here are kind of fun because they match those iridescent colors in some of those back to school organizers that we saw last time. Not sure about the quality though on these, so you'll have to tell me what you think. Cute mini backpacks. Well, they're more like day packs because they aren't exactly the biggest or strongest. They'd also be great for lunch or even using as a little purse. These accessory cups are so cute. They match all the different patterns. And then when I saw these little magnetic boxes, I got super excited because of the pastel colors and the purple. Love the purple. Really cute. Then we have these little caddies that match all those new patterns that we're seeing in all the stores. Adorable. Plus the book organizers too that match everything. I'm not sure if this is a new item or not, but 48 bucks of Jot crayons, that is a good deal. Are these crayons good? I'm not sure. I probably need to find out. But then I went to another store and found this, a 64 box of crayons. So yeah, you can get like the giant box of crayons, just like the ones from Crayola, maybe. We should probably test these out and see. Do you think? Let me know what you think for a little dollar test video in the future. These are dry erase planners. You can hang these up and wipe them off and use them over and over and over again. There are a couple of different styles this came in, but I only saw this at 2 different stores, so I'm not seeing this at every store this year. We are seeing this pattern too. These are poly folders, and I love these for organization. I think they are really great quality and they are going to last. We have some Crayola supply boxes, although I'm not sure why you'd want the name Crayola over your pencil box, but they do have them and they're very similar to the blank ones that they have. Just a little view of some of the specialty pens that they bring out this type of year. And I especially love the little pom-pom ones too. Those are adorable. We have first day of school signs. These are the chalkboards that you write and fill in. They aren't the best quality compared to some of the other ones I've seen at Michael's or at Target. We have some organized pads of paper. This does match some of the other patterns we've seen, and it comes in a couple of different patterns too. I'm really liking some more of these organizational supplies. This is a desktop organizer that has 2 sections on the top, and the front also has a little section to put a pad of paper or write a little saying. So that was kind of neat. We have the lavender and the pink. Then we had some return finds, the Crayola placemats. Now this one is all about money and counting. You play a little game. It's a dry erase mat. These aren't new. They've been around before, but they are getting restocked in stores. Really good way to do some learning and then also maybe use it as a placemat too. Why not? I did find a new sketchbook. This is just a different style. The paper isn't the best. It's really kind of thin, but I thought it was kind of a cool look. We have the chalkboard is back in stock too. This comes around every so often. More journals. So this one's pretty cool. This is a way to keep track of health goals. It comes in a couple of different cover styles, and it's just a book filled with different goal trackers to keep track of whatever fitness goals you may have. If you decide to get these, I'd recommend getting a couple of them just so when they run out, you'll have a backup, because I don't know if Dollar Tree is going to have these throughout the year. Found some packages of copier paper. This is 75 sheets. Probably not the best of deals, but it is nice to know that they have it there. And then we have these guided journals. These were more religious based, in which there was a little excerpt at the top of the pages to help give you inspiration for journaling. A really great way to get motivated to write and journal. We have some weekly planners. These are a really good size too. These just go week by week by week. I really like the cover choices on all of these, and then these are all for the 2004 year. In the office supply section, we have some Jot file folders in some really bright and bold colors. Actually wasn't expecting to see these patterns. I thought I would see them in some of the other patterns we've seen in the other office supply materials, but they are really cute. Crayola has these poster stickers for learning about the United States. Really great way to work this into your learning and make it hands-on. You could even use it for states that you visited this summer. Really good road trip idea. In the toy section, we have some new Disney princess finds. I know my kids like to put these kinds of things on their backpacks. I don't know about yours. We have some new Play-Doh kitchen sets. It looks like there's a little mold on the cup straw. At least that's what it looks like. And there's two colors inside here. The theme is fruit. So the molds are little fruit shapes. I'm wondering if this is just a smaller component of a bigger type of set that you'd find at Target. We have some Imagine Ink books, which is interesting because you normally see these at Target, but they're like half the size. So I guess for half the price, you get half the size. I'm not sure. They're $3 at Target. Heading over to the book section, I found some new finds over here. We have some classic fairy tale story books, but it actually had almost like a hardcover to it. It also came in a couple of different versions, bedtime stories and adventure tales. Looks like the Little People maze books are back. I really do like these. I think they're a lot of fun. Mazes are a great prerequisite to writing, so this might be a fun activity, and it's also great for take and go. Also for take and go are these little sticker packs that come with a couple of coloring supplies, stickers, and an activity book. These are the type of thing that you take with you to the restaurant, to the doctor's office, and they're just really great because they have several things you can do. And then if you're a Friends fan, they had Friends word search books, which are all puzzles based upon Friends themes. Pretty interesting. Also might be a good stocking stuffer for later for anyone who is a fan. Every single store I went in had a huge selection of new hair accessories, especially in the butterfly clips and these little claw clips. So if you're into this style, you might want to check it out. Some of these look really, really nice and very similar to ones I've seen in other stores. The flower clips we're seeing everywhere as well. They had a couple of different colors in those too. And in most stores, I'm seeing this display too that has a couple of different hair accessories, a lot of travel combs and brushes, things to use on the go, and then headbands that had little cat ears on them, and tons of nail accessories like stickers and things to put on your nails. In only one store, I found this brand, and I was pretty impressed by the quality of these. So if you find this Sophie brand, I would actually take a look to see if there's something you like, because they had some really pretty things that I think might actually have been in a larger store. And then over in the craft section, not much new, but I did want to show you the new gems. They come in different shapes, including stars and hearts, and in many different colors. I do wish they were self-adhesive, but you know, you could still use some glue. And are you ready for the fall things? Yeah, fall, you guys. I'm not going to get into too much detail because I didn't see too much out yet, but they are putting it out in stores. So if you are a fall fanatic, many things are coming your way. Pumpkins galore, really pretty fall colors. We have gnomes and we have all the fall things, especially in decor. Here's a quick glance of just some of the things that I've spotted in some of the stores. Don't forget to watch all the other back to school videos that I have for school supplies, Dollar Tree, Target, and many more, plus more coming. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss those, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.